Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix website to Google's Search Console. This is essential if you want Google to properly index your site and monitor how it performs in search results. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various site management tools. This is where you'll begin the process of connecting your website to Google Search Console. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. It's important to make sure that this is the correct website you wish to connect to your Google Search Console, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right site, turn your attention back to the left navigation menu and click on SEO and GEO. This section in Wix houses all the settings related to search engine optimization and geographic targeting for your site. Once you're on the SEO and GEO menu, scroll down until you find the SEO Setup checklist. This is a guided procedure designed to help you optimize your site before connecting it to external tools like Google Search Console. From here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the things you need to set up first before you can successfully connect to Google Search Console. Think of this checklist in Wix as your roadmap to ensuring your site is fully prepared for search engine visibility. All you have to do is complete the checklist, which consists of 7 steps. Work through each step carefully, as completing all 7 is necessary to unlock the connection option. These steps typically include setting up your site title and description, adding meta tags, and ensuring your pages are optimized for search engines. Once you've completed all 7 out of 7 steps, you'll notice that a new option becomes available. Under the Google Search Console label, you'll see a button that says Connect Now. Click on this button to initiate the connection, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.